Oh, hi. I'm kind of packing this backpack with a load of things that I have with me. Let me just quickly pack it as we speak. Oh, my goodness. So many things to be put into this one backpack. Oh, my God. There's so much to put into it. And let me just forcefully close this. Let's see if I manage to do that. And the zips are stuck. Nevertheless, I'll do it. I'm going to press it hard and get this done. Okay. Oh, all right, it's quite stuffed now. Getting there. Never mind. I'm just going to I think I got it. Yeah. I'm going to put it on and off I go. Oh, that's heavy and I'm tired. Imagine that your brain has a backpack too, and you stuff it in with lots and lots and lots of information haphazardly, pretty much like how I did, and then load it up and expect it to function effectively, make rational decisions, do everything creatively, solve problems. Well, that's a bit unfair, isn't it? Especially when things from the bag are poking and jutting out, and also there's so much load that you're carrying. Well, this is called cognitive load. And when we give too much information about a certain subject or randomly add too much information into our daily lives, we're kind of loading our brain and increasing the cognitive load. What is the best way to learn effectively? What is the best way to function effectively? Well, organize the mess. Organize the information that you're feeding the brain. So instead of haphazardly packing that bag, take everything out, calm down, fold everything, make room for it in the bag, and see the difference. You still have the same amount of stuff in the bag, but it doesn't weigh so heavily on your back. It's easy to carry around. How often are we increasing not just our cognitive load, but that of our children? Have a think.